Right guys, we are our third and last day at the Plough here in Ireland. Sadly I have to leave here about 3 o'clock today because I've got to go catch a flight. Looks like the weather is going to be the best it's been because we have the sun, no wind, no rain first thing in the morning, but that, like anything, could all change. Callum at AutoPerakt as usual, always being as hard at work as possible.
Yeah, trying.
I'll show you the Grassmen stand and how the setup they've got and how much superior it is to anything I've done with any show. They've been at it a lot longer, but the setup is fantastic. They've got their old trailer and their new trailer for the shop, so let's get a look at it. So this trailer, you've got 3 bays, there are 2 tractors, and this is the brand new trailer which is 4 bays. This is their trailer with a big TV screen on it which plays all day. So a good design about this whole platform, you're getting yourself out the mud, up there, get your gear and back down here. And like I said, it is flat out all day, constantly. And even to the point they've had to be going up the road every night to get more stock back down, even though they've got a full refrigerated trailer here, full of stock. And they've even brought their heat press and embroidery machine.
Smile me, boys.
Smile me. Cute and cuddly, boys. Cute and cuddly.
Cute and cuddly, boys. Cute and cuddly.
You know why I'm going to come out and help you?
That's good products, you see.
Good product you use. Aye, not the other crap you use. Oh, jeez.
Trust me.
Don't start that.
The uncle.
Yeah.
That's him. Craig is the dodgy uncle.
Do you think Craig's a dodgy uncle?
Aye, 100%.
I thought he seemed a wee bit too much of a people.
No.
You think it's all an act?
I think it's an act.
Aye.
Dave! Yeah! Craig's Ricky Mora!
The Bora they want to find out.
Craig, they asked for a picture of the car, mate. It wasn't you. That's the deal.
That's all I've got this weekend.
She warm yet, Craig?
Where's the lorry? It's not here.
The 2 boys that bought your stuff over there yesterday says, is Sandy's lorry here? I was like, no.
Do it again, one more time. Just keep going till it goes bang.
That would put a horn on a snowman. And a few carbon particles in the room. We love the smell of diesel. Oh yeah. Red or green, Craig?
I just remember going.
Bang.
So me and Callum are going to go for a gander before the chaos starts again. Plus I'm leaving here at, unfortunately 3 o'clock right now because I've got to fly back this evening. One thing me and Callum have definitely agreed on about the Plough, which we definitely love to say to everyone, is
I'm a follower.
Sorry. How's it going? I did a YouTube video there. It's really nice when that happens, especially from older generations, to give you that validation, and then comment your channel for what your goals are, like make it realistic.
Yeah. Aye, not polished.
Aye, not polished,
Not
not
false,
like.
not fake.
Aye, everything's great, everything's
That's a mug.
fantastic. What?
That's a mug. That's a mug. Not polished, not false, not fake. That should be on a mug of the next hat.
Not
I think we
polished.
still should bring you an air freshener called Morning.
Marty! Make it smell of diesel. So we're going to go see Marty Moan. Well, go see him yesterday. He got the crack with his sister, but he was busy, so I only got about a 5-minute conversation with him. We'll head round early this morning. He is coming over to Scotland for a concert, and looking forward to that.
We got some backstage offers yesterday as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, right on the list.
Passes.
Aye, and Pete and Diesel are meant to be coming to it as well, so it's going to be a good night. Yeah, definitely. I don't buy yourself, have a good time. Not too bad, man.
You're on the YouTube now as well, by the way. Aye, so keep it PG.
When you come down, when you come back up to Scotland then?
Very soon, I'm going to do a few gigs out there. can't even fucking remember the dates right now.
I can't remember the
October, yeah.
But here we call it, is it the 15th?
The 15th, I think, yes. Yeah, it's 2 nights. It's Thursday and the Friday, yeah. So whatever, around that, yeah.
Whereabouts are we going to be?
We're going to be in outside Inverness in
Strathheffer.
Heifer?
Yes, your sisters are just different.
Does anybody know my details around here?
Hey, listen to
Where am I going?
Can you pronounce where we are?
I don't know. Ireland. That's all I've got. I have no idea where we are.
Yeah. I can't even see it either. Ross, something.
Where are we? Jen, I don't even know the... We're at the Ploughing, that's all I've got.
In the middle of a field right now. I know that. That's a
I
bit.
think we're going to come in the Friday. What are these called again? How do you say it?
Ineos.
Ineos. Right, these are Ineos. I've never heard of them, seen them, came round, amazing people, some bits of kit, and hopefully we've been speaking to them, we can get a shot of one, because they're a new car to the market. It's basically the answer like for the old Defender, and I think something like that would be right up my street for the channel. So you think so, comment below if you'd like to see that, and hopefully we can make it work, get a deal together. I think we're getting a new set of beacons, like, but I've always wanted blue beacons. It's always been a thing I've wanted.
Yeah. Sandy, I don't think anybody's ever broken the light board before, but you're definitely... Oh, hey, that's quite cool. You see that?
That's actually look. Reverse, indicator lights.
All from the one light?
All for the one light, big light.
Oh, that is cool.
It would actually get a bit more better. Because they're a wee bit smaller. I want everything.
What did you call that?
Burger lamps. Purple burger.
The Irish people were taking the piss out is because they maybe say burglar. They can't actually say it.
We can't say Irish wristwatch.
Irish wristwatch.
I just come with that say I can't say wrist.
No. Right, press the button again. Nice.
I like how he's that. I do imagine you had a set of them all up one side.
Jack, he's spent a fortune since he's been in here.
I like him. Obviously, I will come and see the Michelin stand, especially because we've got the Michelin YouTube video coming out from their factory in Stoke. From Ploughing. Oh, forward up. Komatsu forward up.
Oh, we didn't go to that.
I get a wee swatch of Komatsu forward up. And might try the food stand as well.
No, we will be trying the food stand.
What?
Might be your phone.
If you want.
What the heck?
Flat broke.
Flat out, flat broke.
There we go. There we go. Can we meet your man? I looked at him. What? I didn't even know it was what. I'm making a YouTube video.
A vlog up now, Sandy.
I hate that word.
This is the problem with this boy. We're here at an agricultural show.
Yeah, can I just show you something now? I don't know how true this is, but do you know the design of these headlights and Volvos? What the reason for it is?
No?
This is what I was told. How true it is, but I believe it is true. Volvo invented the seat belts. So the LED.
No way!
It's meant to be celebration of seatbelt. And Volvo gave away the patent for seatbelts so everyone could have them. Good, that's good for Volvo.
What? Safest car in the world.
Yep. Hi boys, how are we? I can see it yourself.
You're on the YouTube now, so you need to say oosht. They can't say that straight face. You're on it now. What you got to say for yourself? Oh, go away.
Look at the steer axle. Now I'm going to say this lorry is letting itself down with one thing. Please don't be offended, this is stunning, beautiful.
Two things. I'll point out the second one. You can do the first.
Don't know why they haven't got the alcohol wheel nut covers.
No.
Plastic ones.
Yeah.
I think alcohol.
It's kind of let it down a wee bit. Second one is that's definitely not all perfect tyre dressing that's been used on there.
Exactly, not
Yeah.
all perfect tyre dressing.
This is the second problem you get when you walk about with Sandy all the time. Now he's seen Milwaukee, and now he's in the bloody stand.
Deals are going to be made here, right?
How much money have we spent today?
Right, I was in Moffat yesterday getting wined and dined and fed and water. But I had to come see them because they're just like family to me, right? I'm alright,
Sorry.
I was just videoing.
We're just videoing. We're all in the video now.
You're on the video now,
Tournament transfer.
There we go.
Truck drivers always get onto one.
Milwaukee, Moffat, I keep forgetting.
Adios.
That's Adios. I keep forgetting how you spell it. Like, it's really good to come to these things immediately because this is where we can hopefully get more content, more direct, bigger videos out of.
Yeah.
And so the more you like and subscribe and comment, tag them.
By the way, I'm here in person and I've seen it. So there's some exciting stuff coming.
Aye.
Proper exciting stuff coming.
So, right now we're going to go back up to the Grassmen stand, organise some stuff. I'm going to go find also Garuth and Michael from K-quip. I got to give away my clothes because I've got no room in my bag.
Yeah. I don't think I'll fit in your clothing, so I can't take anything.
I know, because even yesterday the girls, it was I might have to give away my hoodie and they all perked up and they're like, who's getting the hoodie, who's getting the hoodie?
Yeah.
I'm fighting matches, is it the hoodie, just the hoodie itself, or is it because I wear it? Right, we came back to the Grassmen stand. They are obviously making great sales as it is. Let's go see how everyone's doing, like.
I like the black on it, yeah. I hang on the DTF, the black. Yeah, Dave.
I was just in the shop working there having a right good blast, but I've just seen my pals. We haven't seen Garuth and Michael yet in my content. I'll tag the video below when I went over to pick up their trailers and take them back across. Basically Garuth and Michael are K-quip. And good friends as well. And they make trailers, scooters, recordings and all that as well. Good high quality work. But I'll tag the video down below when I went over to date. Where did I take that other stuff to? South Wales and Aberdeen, that was it. Yep. So I'll tag that video below as well. I'll just go for another wee walk. Proper setup, like.
The wee wagon roof shed.
It's got the pub inside it.
Right, so I was thinking you wanted to get to there. You can put one of those and then have the back, like 28 feet, have 20 feet in the car, and then the last 8 feet is a wee beer garden.
That'd be cool.
I can go to shows with that.
That'd be cool. Go inside it, and all this is just cracking wee pub. It's quite old. I might buy this for myself.
And all that.
Buy this for myself. I like these. I love to get one of them for Jamie. Like. I'm just got to nip it up to see the main man himself, Falvey, and it's good to see fame's not going to his head because he's still working behind the till making a living.
Still trying to sledge away.
I know people think you're rich. I'll bleep it out.
All 4 coat, no knickers.
That is it.
All you got sleeves.
See, everybody thinks we make money just because we're on
No,
TikTok.
we don't.
We're broke.
I wouldn't have the money to do that. This is my GoFundMe to get home. No, it's not even proper roadies. Keep showing me. There you go.
Right, I have nicked the iconic jacket off of Falvey here. Don't.
There you go.
Do you know something? It's not as sticky as I expected it to be.
It's comfy. It's so sticky. You wonder what Falvey's been up to. Like.
You could be a porn star. Nah.
Oh, did you have
Like,
Falvey's, I've nicked it.
we have no warm.
It is. Show you guys, as you can see, all the stock. And look. All empty. All running out. And do remember they've got their own embroidery machine outside, and they're going up the road every night to get more stock. This is the level I want to get the FOFB up to. Right, because I've been given so many hoodies by like Falvey, Moffat, Grassmen, I can't take any of my own clothes back, so I'm going to give them all to, even though I've been wearing them, apart from one. Because the team here, Grassmen, have asked them, so I'm going to give them to them. Oh guys, I'm sad I've got a wee bit early. I wish I could stay, but I've got a flight to catch. K-quip are going to give us a lift home, and I'll get back straight to it tomorrow. Guys, I'm going to finish this video here because I've only got 5% battery left in my phone, and I need it before I get a charger in the car. If you have enjoyed this video, please drop a like, subscribe, thumbs up, all the usual. I must say thanks very much to Grassmen for this experience, and thanks to everyone that came up and seen us, and thanks to everyone at the island. You're always welcome. Love you all. Flat out, flat broke. Whoosh. Have you tried butt pass?
Oh,
Oh, you haven't
big
lived.
lava, look, run out of you.
You haven't lived. You just drank Bucky in a field like this.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, they keep moving.
Is this a Sharpie? I didn't realise you gave me a pen.